Okay, so obviously the first step to signing up is to go to loom.com. If we just take a quick look at the pricing here, you'll see that the free account, it has some kind of limitations, such as you can only record up to 5 minutes of footage. But then there's this education option, this Loom for Education, which you can see allows you to up to 45 minutes of recording time and other features such as high definition videos, etc. There's two steps to it, to accessing this Loom for Education. The first is to just create an account, and the second is to then get verified. So to create an account, you need an educational institution email. So I use the UOW account just because that .edu extension is usually more recognized for educational offerings. So they need to verify the email. So once that address has been put in, you just need to wait a little while for a verification email to come. And once you have the verification email come, just click on the button and it will take you to the website. And you can complete the second part of the process, which is to verify yourself as an educator. So it just asks a series of questions that you step through, and you just click through. Yeah, so it mentions the .edu there, which makes me think that it's only recognizes that. So we put the email address in again. University name. And the school's website. See how quickly I typed that. And it says it'll take up to 7 days to be verified. Mine happened very, very quickly. It was in a matter of hours, if not sooner. And it'll just say when you go to your profile, instead of having free account, it will change to Educator account. And that's it. You're ready to go and enjoy the features of Loom.